Hi, I'm Terry Peterman of electrical-online.com and welcome to another one of our video shorts on current topics. Today we're doing a product review on a product that was sent to me a while back from the people at Millepede. It's called a Mille-Rod. It's a high-performance push-pull rod attachment system. It's a fishing tool is what it is, made up of several rods that thread together with numerous attachments for the ends, and it can be used in a variety of situations, but today I'm going to demonstrate the use of it fishing in some wire between a couple of puck lights. Okay, the Mille-Rods by Millepede come in a variety of colors and different flexibility. So here's the standard black and red color. The black rods have limited flexibility, they're for pushing through longer distances. Then the red rods have about a mid flexibility, and as you see they won't break. I could go further on that, but it won't break. And then we have a high flexibility flat rod for going around corners and tighter spaces, so that'll bend the whole 360 degrees. The rods also come in a phosphorescent glow type rod, which would be handy in a dark environment such as above ceiling tiles or in a dark attic. So that's a great feature, a phosphorescent glow rod in the same styles, round, flat, and mid-flex round. The rods come with a variety of attachments depending on the kit you order, but there's a variety of hooks and little eyelets so that you can fish in, pull in a rope or a nylon string and then pull your wire in with that. Okay, so for the short little project I'm going to demonstrate here, I've got puck lights in the underside of our overhead cabinetry here. Two puck lights are only about 2.5 feet apart, so 3 rods are going to do it. I'm going to use one of the flat, flexible rods for the end, and then I'm going to use a mid-flex rod in between and the stiff black rod at the end. And I'm going to fish between here. There's 2 cross members in here that are drilled out for other wiring installed inside here. So this should be able to allow me to fish this rod through those 2 holes and out the other puck light hole and get the wires in between. So we'll thread these together. As you see, when they thread together they form a nice smooth connection between the 2 rods that won't snag or catch on anything as you're fishing. Thread them together. They're a standard 1/4 by 20 thread. And I'll attempt to fish the rod in between the 2 puck light holes and pull the wires back. Okay, so I was able to fish that rod through 2 holes in cross members here and out the other side. And you see why I used a stiff rod here for pushing and one of the nice flat flexible rods out the other side. So now all I have to do is attach my wires and pull them through. Yep. Okay, so I've attached my wires through one of the eyelets in the Mille-Rod and made sure that it's not too big to go through the holes that I fished through, and we'll be able to pull this back through those 2 holes. Now on a longer pull you'd likely want to attach a piece of nylon rope or nylon twine or something and pull that through, then use the rope to pull the wire through. But in a short run like this will work just fine. Feed the wires back through the 2 holes. And out the other side, now I can make my connections and put everything back together. So there you have it. The wires are fished in with the help of the Mille-Rod polymer rods. They're made of polypropylene, glass reinforced nylon. They're strong, they're flexible. The uses you can find for this Mille-Rod from millepede.com are endless. So keep a set of these in your toolbox. You'll use them again and again. Thank you, Mille-Rod.